Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Uber customer service. First of all, just open up the Uber application here on your Android or iPhone, it doesn't really matter. Now, whether you took a ride personally or you had some food or groceries delivered through Uber Eats, you can always get help and basically contact the customer service. To do that, we will tap on the account at the very bottom right. So you can see if I scroll down, you can see this option help. Tap on it. You will be able to see these different options: help with an order, account and payments, membership and loyalty, delivery and pickup, basics. So you had an issue with Uber Eats and maybe something wasn't delivered or there is an issue with it, you can select this delivery and pickup basis. Now you can see these topics. You can select the topic: placing orders, getting your order, or anything else. Let's say placing orders. Tap on it and then you can basically have help with this order. You can basically select this any topic here and you can easily get help if something was wrong or there is an issue with it. And if you select this and then you can tap on this no and you can see thank you, your feedback has been shared. Now if you come back here, you can see these options as well: help with an order. If you tap on it, you can see account and payments. If you tap on it, now there are different options like account setting, payments, Uber money, and all these things. You can select whatever you want and then you can select the sub option here and they will guide you properly. If this was helpful, tap on this yes. If it's not, you can easily tap on this and now here you can easily write the problem and then share the details and then you can easily submit your problem and they will get back to you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.